Okay, here's a video of a original ITL or TMY KMK 17-inch Swallow Japanese toy boat. It's the inboard version with the fin. It's a horseshoe motor boat, so it's early. So it's 1949, 1950. I totally restored this from a pile of driftwood, really. You go online on YouTube, you'll see later on the restoration video, it was a mess. The total deck was replaced. All the fittings are original except for the windshield, steering wheel, and the air scoops. The lights in the front are new old stock. I'll turn them on. Okay. And of course I restored the Swallow on there. That's a peel and stick decal I had made because I can't paint that well. And anyway, it's all repainted, original colors. This is a really nice original boat. The rudder's original, the propeller's not original. I had to put one of mine on because the original propeller was missing a blade. The hatch and everything's totally new. All the contacts inside are all brass. It's all totally rewired. Everything's new. The motor was rebuilt. I polished it up, cleaned it up. I forgot to wipe the wax off it. Anyway, she's good to go, man. I mean, this thing is brand spanking new now. It's better than new because it actually works. You can see inside. Steering wheel is new old stock. All the brass contacts are new old stock. The motor is rebuilt. I redid the fin. Of course, everything else, the step pads, the air vents are original. Windshield's mine. And of course, I had to totally remake the hatch. See, from scratch. So, because it was missing. Otherwise, it's a beautiful boat. You can see all my boats at rccraft.com. Thanks for all your great comments on my boats. Anything you see on YouTube that I have listed, I can probably make you. All you gotta do is send me an email and we can go from there. Or go to rccraft.com. Thanks, have a nice day.